Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Boris FX Suite. Once the search results appear on your screen, simply click on the first link. After that, download the free trial of the application. Once the download is complete, install it onto your computer and sign in. After signing in, a variety of options will be displayed on your screen. Simply select the Sapphire plugin and then click on the Install button at the top. Click on the Install button again and wait for the installation to finish. Once it is done, click on the Continue button. Now, minimize the application setup and access After Effects. Inside the software, navigate to the top right side and search for _ in the Effects tab. As you can see, all the Sapphire plugins are being displayed. So that's basically how you can add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.